Delectable Delights, Mastering Desserts and Sweets in English. Hello, and welcome to our English language learning video. Today, we'll be indulging our sweet tooth as we dive into the wonderful world of desserts and sweets. Not only will we cover the names of these delicious treats, but we'll also introduce key phrases and vocabulary related to their preparation. So, let's whisk ourselves into the sugary delights of English culinary language. Let's start with some of the most common desserts you might encounter in English-speaking countries. Cake, a sweet-baked dessert, often enjoyed at birthdays and weddings. Ice cream, a frozen dessert made from dairy products, usually served in scoops. Cookies, small, sweet-baked goods. In the UK, they're often called biscuits. Pie, a baked dish with a pastry crust, typically filled with sweet fruits. Pudding. In the US, this is a creamy dessert. In the UK, it can refer to any dessert. Remember, there are countless types of each of these desserts, so these terms can serve as an umbrella for many different sweet dishes. Now that we're familiar with some types of desserts, let's look at vocabulary related to their preparation. Bake, to cook in an oven. Used for cakes, cookies, and pies. Mix, to combine ingredients together. Whisk, to beat or stir, as in eggs, with a rapid, light motion. Roll, to flatten dough with a rolling pin. Chill, to cool in the refrigerator. Serve, to present food for people to eat. These words are essential in understanding and discussing how desserts and sweets are made. To help you understand these words in context, here are some example sentences. I love to bake cookies on the weekend. You need to mix the sugar and eggs before adding the flour. Please whisk the cream until it's fluffy. You should roll the dough out until it's 1 centimeter thick. After the jelly is set, you need to chill it in the fridge. The cake is ready to serve after it cools. That's it for today's delicious lesson on desserts and sweets in English. We hope that you have not only expanded your vocabulary but have also found the joy of expressing yourself when it comes to preparing or enjoying these delightful dishes. Practice using these words and phrases as often as you can, and soon, discussing desserts and sweets will be a piece of cake. Until next time, keep practicing, and stay sweet.